Hi, my name is Ray Warnock. I'm standing here in my future kitchen. My wife and I bought this house. It was built in 1953 and we have a family with 11 kids. And we needed a bigger kitchen. Being the smart guy that I am, I bought a used kitchen off of Craigslist and thought, oh, I'll just put it in here. There's pieces everywhere around me. Yeah, I'm not getting very far and I need your help. And my wife, who has an eye for renovating and does such a great job, to save us a few dollars, she thought she would paint the tiles in our busy little bathroom. And the tile paint, even though we looked it up online and thought, wow, this is a great idea, it's not turned out very well. So we really need some help to do our kitchen and our bathroom. It's just not turned out the way we'd hoped